Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Heath. We're working on day 12 of our May worksheets. You should have day 12 with me. Today I have my black marker and a purple writing utensil. I have a purple marker for doing our writing piece. We're doing math, language arts, and you can choose to do your reading journal. And we have our picture key ready to go. Let's start with math. For math today, we're doing our similar things that we've been doing: fact families, team numbers, sums of 5, and writing numbers. We're going to start with our caterpillar. I see 20 is at the end today. We need to come up with the two numbers that come before 20. Using your number line, I see 19 comes just before 20, and then 18 comes just before 19. That was easy today. Using the 5 frame, complete the equation. Our equation is 3 clear circles plus 2 dark circles is going to equal 5. I see 1, 2, 3 clears plus 1, 2 dark equals 5. Remember, we're using our number bond worksheets for our fact families, and I didn't bring mine, so I'm going to use a little piece of paper. And I'm going to draw the number bond, 3 circles. And for our number bond, we have the biggest number I see is 9. The biggest number always goes on top. The other two little numbers are 8 and 1. So if we're doing adding, we're going to add the two little numbers to make the big number. I'm going to start with 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Then I'm going to start with 1. 1 plus 8 equals 9. For subtraction, we always start with the big number on top and subtract the little numbers. 9 minus 8 equals 1. Remember, you can always check these on your fingers if you would like. 9 minus 1 equals 8. If I was to check that on my fingers, I would start with 9, and I would take 1 away, and now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Checking it on your fingers always works. Next, we are going to work on filling in our number grid. I see 10 is here, and I see 16 is here. We need to fill in the number that comes before 10. If you wanted to look on your number line, I see 9. 10, then we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Finished. That means that we get to fill in our star for math. Nice job. Now we're moving on to language arts. I like to keep this folder under me because look at all the marker I could get on my desk. So I don't want to do that. Making sure I do a good job here. I have my picture key ready to go because this is the language arts part, and we're going to do phonics, reading, and writing. We always start with word families, and I see the AD or add word family. I'm looking at my picture key. It's not on the first, or I'm sorry, this is actually the second page. It is on the second page. MAD, PAD, SAD. I see the ADs. I see a little girl, or I'm sorry, it's a little boy. I thought she had ponytails. It's a boy with smoke coming out of his ears. So I'm not sure what that means. I see MAD here. I'm going to fill that in. MAD. Add, mad. Ooh, I should sound this one out. I didn't tell you what this is. This is a girl. Looks like her hand is on his face. And I see BAD. Add, bad. Bad, mad. Okay. Let's finish our word family with, I think this looks like a notebook. I'm not sure what that means. It doesn't sound like it rhymes with add. So I'm going to come here and find PAD. P-A-D. Add, pad. Okay. This little girl is frowning. She is the girl. She has ponytails. And I see S-A-D. S-A-D. Sad, sad. Bad, mad, pad, sad. Nice job. Moving on to reading, we're using our AD word family words to read our passage. I see someone crying, pulling on this guy. I wonder what their story is going to be. I was sad when my dad had to go to work. He gives me a big hug. I am glad my dad is so nice. Oh, that's a good one. I liked that. I have my purple marker ready to go because it says color all of the AD words purple. So let's do that. Sad. Dad. Had. Big hug, nope, am. Ooh, how about glad? And dad. All right, we colored all of our AD words purple. Where did dad go? In the first sentence it says, I was sad when my dad had to go to work. So did he go to park or work? He went to work. I would think if he went to the park, he would take her with him. Now, let's work on writing. Write 1 to 2 sentences using the picture word bank. Our pictures today: jump rope, lunch, read, draw, paint. Ooh, I see some things you could do inside. I see some things you could do outside. I like to do reading and drawing. So I can say that sentence. I like to read and draw. That'll be a nice simple sentence for us. It's using our sight words that we know. And we can start with the word I with a capital letter I. Finger space like. Finger space to. Finger space read. Copy it from your word bank. Read. I'm going to come down to the next line for my and, A, N, D, draw. I'm going to do an exclamation point today because I like to read and draw. You could tell me you like to paint. You can tell me you like to jump rope or eat lunch. This is an easy one with our word bank today. I like to read and draw. Nice job, everybody. You may fill in your star for language arts. We finished it. I hope you have a great rest of your day. You can do your reading journal and 3 more tasks. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you.